To rebuild your home, you first need drawings. Don't feel bad. Most people don't have drawings for their home laying around. I've spent my life in the trade, so I'm familiar with every aspect of the rebuilding process that you're facing. I'm dedicating 2025 to helping you get back to a normal life. The first step is recreating your home plans. We know that the permitting process is a pain, but having your drawings is required to start that process. I'm actively working with city and county leaders to streamline the process. I've developed a simple checklist to get you back in your home. I'll get the drawings done, but I and my team can help with other items on the checklist as well. Fill out the form below to get started. I look forward to celebrating the successful rebuild with you as quickly as possible.